Good morning. It is 8:44 in the morning, and I decided to kick off my spring break that I would vlog my day today because we are doing something very exciting. I apologize if you can't see. I just woke up and I'm just lying in the light that comes from my door. My mom and I are going to the Cheesecake Factory for lunch. I'll talk more about it in the car and as the morning goes on, but I'll just say that it opens at 11:30. It's about 35 minutes away from my house, and we are going to leave at 10 a.m. just in case. I'm expecting to wait. I know we're not going to be able to just waltz right in, but I have a hunch that maybe it won't be as long. I know some people that only had to wait 20 minutes for a table, like to be seated, and I know some people that wait like an hour and a half. But we're kind of hoping that since it's a Monday, there might be a better chance, but who knows. And anyway, I can always kill time walking around Yorkdale Mall because I absolutely love that mall. So I'm gonna go downstairs. My mom doesn't know I'm up yet. Have a tea and start getting ready. And yeah, come along on this fun journey with us today. We are getting ready to head out the door. I'm wearing a turtleneck cold shoulder sweater from Hollister. I have on my Lululemon leggings and some boots, booties. Can you see them? And some booties from the Bay. I was gonna wear a hat, like a wool hat, but I don't know, I'm kind of liking my hair this morning. It looks decent. So we are just gonna get ready to go, and we'll be en route soon. It is such a beautiful day out. I don't even really need this jacket. I'm just wearing this like vegan faux leather. These sunglasses don't really fit on my face, but they're from Nordstrom and I really like them. But yeah, here we go. We're in the car. We are on the way to the Cheesecake Factory. It's such a beautiful day outside. Don't even really need my coat. I might just leave my coat in the car when we get there. Because we're going to do some shopping and just have a really nice day. I'm really digging my makeup today and this lip color. We made it! I really hope we're not like the only people like here this early. Like maybe those people over there are here. Like, because I know we can't just walk in, like it's closed. 11:30. I had you leave early so we'd be on time. I don't know. Well, maybe those people are gonna go. I just hope we're not the only crazy people here early.
Guys, my mother just said to me, girl knows what she's doing, meaning me.
We won't have to wait to get a seat.
Who's winning now, Mom? Me.
We were given this at about 11:15 to come back for 11:30. It's 11:27 right now, so we're just standing outside waiting. I just heard some guy say that they'd seat 20 people every 30 minutes. We were number 16. It's 11:31. So we're sitting now. Yeah, I think that's a popular. Is it like a special? Yeah, it's a popular one. So we've been sitting here for about like 5 minutes, and our waiter is hilarious. And we told him that we've been to ones in the States, and we went to the one in LA, and he was like, me too. And he told us that he peed next to Joe Jonas. Fun fact for you. I'm not sure if I'm gonna ask him though about the lunch size portions versus like the normal size, because I really want my spicy chicken chipotle pasta. Also was fancy, ordered a lemonade. I normally don't do that.
It looks like a margarita. I've never had a margarita. It's got a sugar-rimmed glass.
Okay, so the total fail vlogger, but it's really food. This is the chicken chipotle
Well, it's
pasta.
Sarah's
My mom's on the
first
phone.
day of reading week.
What she called her. But yeah, it's delicious. This is the lunch size.
Reading
and I don't
week,
even
you know,
think
their
I'm
week
going
off,
to be
so.
able to finish this. And we thought we're getting smaller portions for
I
lunch
guess.
to have cheesecake for dinner. I mean, sorry, cheesecake for dessert.
Either that or that's where all my gray hairs.
And I don't even think we're gonna end up getting cheesecake because we're both so full. She got a burrito. And I got this pasta.
So what are you doing? Okay.
So I'm taking home this
I will.
because I cannot finish. Okay. It's my little to-go container. I'm gonna take this out to the car now. And then we're gonna shop. We're not really some more because we haven't really shopped yet. We just kind of came here to eat first. Soda water to help slow down. So my mom just went to go take my food to the car. But oh my goodness, I feel so full. So now we're gonna go do some shopping. Lucky number. I love this. I think my Zumba teacher would like it too. Dance all night. Oh my gosh, you can sit inside. Look at that. It's the most gorgeous pink I've ever seen. Sure, it's like the biggest Sephora I've ever seen in my life. She's gonna ask her where the next store is.
Could you do me a favor and get me another large? Yeah, because sometimes one large just fits bigger or smaller. Small or big?
So I think I'm gonna get it. It's like a cold shoulder shirt, but it's got some like sparkle in it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like cold shoulder, it's long sleeve. It's like $16.98, regular $59. You can't really like pass that up, I don't think.
Yeah, and that was another.
It's a.
The main reason.
Okay, well I'm not putting that on YouTube.
What were you putting on YouTube? What are you doing?
Oh my goodness. So we are back from the gym. I wore my new shirt, the Dance All Night t-shirt, or tank top that I picked up today. It's about 7:30. And I think I brought home, like, I don't know if I mentioned that, I got the lunch size lunch at the Cheesecake Factory. So I packed it up and I brought it home, and I think I'm going to reheat it now and have it. Rather than have it, like, wait until like tomorrow or something. Just have it today because it's fresh. And yeah, but it felt so good. We had such a nice day. Like, we went for lunch, and then we walked around the mall, did a bit of shopping, a little bit of window shopping. That mall is just such a visually appealing mall to, like, look at. And all the stores there are just to die for. So it's always fun to have a quick little browse, and just, it was nice. It was a nice thing for my mom and I to do. And then we came home, went to the gym, burned off our lunch and now I'm gonna have my supper. So I will see you guys maybe later. But if not, I'll end the vlog here. I hope it's decent. I'll see what kind of footage I have when I put this all together. But yeah, I thought I would vlog our Cheesecake Factory experience. I know I kind of failed in the like showing the food stuff, but what can you do? I tried. So hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure to follow me on Instagram because I post there a lot. It's at Minnie Beauty Official or Official Minnie Beauty. I don't know. I'll put it right here. But anyway, I hope you have a fantastic week, and I will see you soon. Bye.